Airspeeder Crude. From a standing start, the Airspeeder Mk4 can reach a maximum speed of 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds, making it the fastest hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft in the world. Expected to go 300 kilometers on a single charge, it handles like a Formula One race car. It has a power output of up to 1,340 horsepower, despite its light weight of only 950 kilograms. The fourth-generation Airspeeder is more than a car. It's a game changer. The curtain has come down on an exciting new chapter in motorsport, one in which anything is possible. This is the pinnacle of competition for the most forward-thinking, creative, and driven automakers, OEMs, and racing teams in the world. Being a part of history is an opportunity that will present itself in 2024, when the first crewed races are set to commence. Depending on the features and customizations chosen, this flying wonder might cost anywhere from $1.5 million to $1.7 million.